Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can charge your Google Pixel Watch 3. So first, have a look inside the box. Your smartwatch came in, and well, find this charger or charging wire. So it's Type-C to some, well, proprietary magnetic station here. Now equip yourself with a Type-C charging block or charging adapter. Put the Type-C end of the wire in or plug it in, and then plug your charger into an outlet, or simply plug it to power. Now put the magnetic station part of your charger underneath the Apple Watch, or excuse me, the Pixel Watch. It should pop right in since the connection between them is magnetic. And as you can see, the charging has been started successfully. You can tell it from this little lightning icon at the watch face. Let's see how good is the magnetic connection. It's pretty good. It's, well, decent. The wire itself is perfectly able to hold the watch, unless you like put it all the way to the position your display to the bottom. It should work just fine. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.